Now, to create your invoice, go to the new invoice section. Once you get to the new invoice section, then you can go ahead and start taking your sales. You can search for your products like mouse. You can add quantity, then click add to invoice. Once you add to invoice, you can change price. Once you click on this tier section, you can change the price, like installer price, reseller price, different type of price. You can also use custom price. Once you click on custom price, you can adjust to a custom price, just as you can see me doing right now on your screen. Another thing you can do, you can change quantity by clicking on edit. Once you click on edit, you can change the quantity to any other quantity of your choice. Once you click on save, it's going to automatically adjust the total amount. So that's just how to do that. It's very simple. Then as for your discount value, you can add a discount, like give a customer discount. Once you apply any discount, it's going to reflect in the total immediately, just as you can see. So that's how you can also add discount. Then you can go ahead and add your customer name. Once you add your customer name, you can also add a customer phone number. So once you are done with all that, normally you can search for customer, but if you don't have the customer on your database, you have to do it the normal way. Then once you are done with that, you click on save invoice. Once you click on save invoice, click on OK, then go to view saved invoice. Once you get to view saved invoice, you'll be able to see all of the invoice that you have saved so far. So you can click on edit and you can start switching from proforma to invoice and, receipt and any other thing related. So once you click on that section, you can switch to receipt. You can also switch to proforma. So once you switch to receipt, it's going to ask you to, put your mode of payment. So to put your mode of payment, go ahead and insert any mode of payment like POS, cash, any one of your choice. And then insert the amount. So I'm going to insert an amount right now. So once I click add payment, you can see everything is no longer red because the amount is actually complete. So you can also remove the payment method and use another payment method. Like for example, credit. If you are using credit, just click add payment. It's going to automatically impute the total amount being owed. So let me remove that. You can also use a custom name on your mode of payment, any custom name at all, and then you can insert the amount. So let's say they pay 2 million naira to OPPOS, and then after paying 2 million naira to OPPOS, they also use check to pay the remaining balance. So I'm going to put it in two different places. So you can see that OPPOS and check. So once I'm done, I can go ahead and click on update invoice. So I will have to impute the customer name once more. So once I go to the top now, I'm going to impute the customer name. So you re-input the customer name and then you click update invoice. So once you update the invoice, you go to view saved invoice. So you can see everything here, but there's one setting that you need. So go to your store settings. So just go to your store settings real quick. There's a settings that you need to actually apply. So once you get to your store settings, just go down to your printing and export. Printing and export. You're going to see show unit price. Click on it and then select show. Make sure you select show. So once you are done there, scroll upwards, go to documents. While in the document section, scroll down a little bit. Once you scroll down, you are going to see some options. Tick show mode of payment. So once you are done doing this, make sure to save your settings. So just scroll down, click save settings. Now, once you are done with that, once you go back to your view saved invoice, you see that everything is showing. The mode of payment is all showing and it's also going to show on your receipt. So that's just how it's done. It's very, very simple and very, very easy to do.